iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za, Bafana Bafana 5. Bafana Bafana 5. Ichisa mpama, impama, wenze show. Namhlanje uHugo Bros ukuthi yey bayiswayisile ecaleni iCongo Brazzaville. Otherwise, ndifethe uJunior. Junior, kunjani mfethu?
My brother kunjani uthi?
Sharp. Sharp.
Ngibulise justice. Ngibulise everyone ngale masihamba ngeline. It's like a funeral man phaka ukuthi. Yeah. It's like a funeral man phaka abanye igcine ningathola hanga. Iline inde kakhulu khona nabo tso lapho ngacala ngabo Pep kanjani khona nabo. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, mfethu well done to Bafana Bafana. Yeah, I think they were very serious in this game. Bathathe serious. Angeke ngikhona ukusingela out any player la kule game. Everybody, I think, because Michelle and they did very well. I think it's a team performance today. Obvious, yes, you need to point out to Mkwena. Ngimbukeli Mkwena go 2-3 games and he was not playing at Sundowns. Some will ask why Mkwena bengadlali ku Sundowns. It was not a question of performance. Umfana definitely bebatila nge-mindset. Ingqondo yakhe bengekho right. Today was very influential. He's a man of the match for me. The boy did very well. We play as South Africans. I think we play according to his strengths too. There was a build-up. Though we were playing against a weaker position, we couldn't see score manga besinje. You can't tell immediately two they were far from one another. There was no combination between Mkwena and also Bebangam compliment Obas as well and Mshishi too far from one another. Yes, I think good goal is set piece corner kick by Makazona Lababantu. Good goal from Mkwena. But Umfani energy, I love his energy. Everybody njoba ngisho but him, I single out him. Ngimbonile ngisho kule 2 games now and he shoot before he was benched at Sundowns. I saw him. I think the mindset was not okay. Ateki Paula lapho Mkwena. Mkwena he hardly scored with the head, but he scored. Well done to him. And second goal, look at him. I think Paul say cutting in. Umfana accelerating lapha. He did very well, but the coach, I think he must balance his game. You need 2 thinkers, right forward, left and right. Bekumela udlala ngumfukenga right to coach. Yes, the boy Umkwana, a very good player, but the thinking, decision making is, I think the team the best nga 5 if bone thinking ngapha right forward. Umkwana, he did everything in terms of energy. He's working so hard. We are not about defender, but weight most matters. Umchita magapeti pola with thinking, playing those 1-2s, running behind the defense, decision making, a square pass. Lagmela pass a corner, square pass you want to shoot. Corner was in the space. Always you want to be passed behind the defense. Magmela chole le pola. We are cross the box in without even looking. So you coach next time you need to balance this game. Ngalu Apolse did very well in terms of a combination and supported by Umdiba. He's a thinker Umdiba as well. Very comfortable on the ball, Mfana. Apolse did very well. Ufigel up, I think is someone at that position, Mfana. Umuntu zomkeeper lapha need to work, double up effort yakhe. He's doing very well. He scored 2 goals last 2 games. And today he was very influential going forward. He hardly lose the ball. He just had he lent a diagonal into the coaching leo. We ends like I won 2-3 games, 1 or 2, 3 times. He need to be coached, but he did very well. Comparing on the side, ngobi side laga right, we rely most kulo mfana umdawu. Umdawu na igula state. It does very well in terms of going forward. Yeah. He's got energy, une recovery right. But last state we are fana. So mawudlala ngama player playing on the right, adlala more or less ngokufana. Bane energy thinking last state they let you down. It's a waste. So bekumele ngabe coach udlalisa umfuke ngapha ka right okanye isuka Police. So on the middle, njoba ngisho sidlale against weaker side. That goal, I think the goalkeeper inkinga yabona le. I think this team came in Congo today to South Africa without having a goalkeeper. I think just someone maybe in the airport to put him here. Uboni the goal number 5 wenzeni. Yeah. Bekumela phuma goalkeeper, he saw his defense let him down. Le bola beku 6 area. Just phuma goal number 3. Uyopuncha lela bola. I think bengeke lize lingene. Second, I think second half, light forcer movement, I think isincedile kakhulu. They move too much and he created some space for bona bomkwana mangabheka umkwana beka runner diagonal and kuba ne crisis because those guys abakwazi ukuhamba ne runner ba static and goalkeeper I'm not too sure ukuthi was injured njengale goal leli goal number 4 elethu. I think the goalkeeper bekumele ngabe uphumile lapha. Good ball from lo mfana lo Apolise behind the defense and the goalkeeper bekumele aphume nje lapha bekangaliklera le ball because he must be always alert. Trying ukulo ukunceda ama teammate wakhe but I think the weakest link goalkeeper today. Yes, the team I can't tell. This team in Congo, I'm not too sure. Babonisa kunama glimpses. You see they badlala ngama pitches, they play, stop, play. Yes, we are born good. Yes, one or two players they've got the ability to play, but team have scattered too much, far from one another. They can't even combine. They show respect to South Africa. They deserve to get hiding today. But mark space, they never go one-on-one. They mark zonal. So good game namhlanje. I think the quality from our side. We played far. Yeah. Performance it's the best performance. It's one of the best game, if not the best game. No. It's one of the best because we were allowed to receive Ebola and we play according to strength too. Most of the team yonke, it's a team yonke. I think the whole of a team perform. Individually, yes, Mkwena is similar because you can perform nonke, but you need one or two players that were outstanding. Liba and Mkwena, for me, they were outstanding. I need to, yeah.
Yazi Junior, there's one thing in Itandayo about having equality players. Check, for example, Real Madrid. You've got Obo Mbappe, you've got Abo Jude Bellingham, you've got Abo Vini. So that is important, especially for Amazon, like for Brazil, for England, for France. But Tasisape SA, I want us to talk about Ubatusi Aubas. I mean, a quality player, a quality midfielder, but Itaduktini when a junior Londo, when you see a player like Ubatusi Aubas, starting for Bafana Bafana, giving a solid performance, in my opinion, but at Sundowns is not playing. And how important is coach Hugo Bros? Because he has when in a faith he keeps that faith. For example, Tebuko Mukwena is not playing at Sundowns. Muda was not playing at Sundowns, but they started against Bafana Bafana because coach Hugo Bros has faith in those players. It also happened a while back, if you remember, Innocent Maela, before coach Hugo took him out of Bafana Bafana. He wasn't playing at Orlando Pirates, but he will always choose Innocent Maela to play at left back. So now when he plays
Nico
Mobi as well, yes. So now when he plays Ubatusi Aubas is not playing for Sundowns but playing for a national team, having so much quality as Sundowns, man, and not playing locally, but Bafana Bafana yadlala. Sancho ibaleke ngakanani wena ukuthi players Ubatusi Aubas ukuthi sifumane more game time.
Ushiyele uRodrigo lapha ku Madrid star studies. Yeah, we mustn't be fooled by this team. Yeah, the coach did the wrong thing. We need to be honest by selecting him. Yes, singafula ukuthi Ubatusi overscored today. Yes, the guy scored, but he doesn't deserve to be here. We need to be honest. We will play against a structured team. The group, I think, in this Bafana Bafana took their chances. They were so professional. We need to compliment them. But to play it against a weaker team, we need to be honest. So Obas, compliment to the guy to score. But overall performance, when you look at him, I don't think he did very well in terms of playing. Obas, yes, in terms of defending was not it. Yeah, quality just to pendula. Hugo Bros risk. We are risk. I need to be honest. Hugo Bros, I think risk. Umuntu mina I believe ukuthi Hugo Bros labantu abanokopa to someone else. Rulani Mkwena nyamazi ukuthi talent yalazi. He believe go Obasu Rulani. Mbonile bekano kumfaka on the bench. Sometimes bring him on the bench, from the bench. So Hugo Bros is doing exactly that. But I don't think he believe in him. Singafula performance. Yes, the guy scored. But when you go to a stronger position where we will be tested in the middle, today in the middle we need to be. But Mkwena, he stood up because there was no link between him and Obas Mkwena. Yeah, Umshishi has did very well, outstanding Umshishi and Mkwena. But now Obas, we need a team to combine more. It's a set piece or 3, set piece and 2. First half, it's individual brilliance in terms of good technique from the guy. And Lele Ligne, A good run from Kulmanga second half, goal number 4. Goal number 5, he mistake goalkeeper. So all in the middle, we Masengena la Bafana Bafana now. You could see a combination more and Umshishi. Those were ball players. So we needed more him when we were playing, building up game management in Kulmanga with 2 Obas. Sure. But the guy, make no mistake, did very well with us as Okora because his name is there. When you say 5 South Africa, we have Mkwenu Shaichu, we have Zulail Francis Scott, and who else scored? Reina Scott, yeah. And also these guys, but Tusi Obas. So, compliment for him to scoring, but the game, I think, Congo, I think this guy, Congo, they never come to the party. They respected us and the qualities. I think we've got better players compared to them. Yeah. And Mkwena mindset, I think compliment to Nami, I think Umangoba, what is done to the boy. Because this is the boy that we saw him at AFCON. And I think the mindset. We need to be honest, there's no ever coach that will say we want to put you on the bench. Go to answer this. The 2 games, Jobangisho before the coach bench him. Sure. But he was standing coach, all Samsas national. The guy was not like this. We know which. I think in terms of talent, you can't doubt him. Yeah. But the mindset, they needed to deal with him. So compliment to Bafana Bafana. One of the, I think they did very well. They played very well. Combination playing Ibonile, especially towards the game. But can this coach believe in this boy? We need to think right. Yeah. Can the game I be balance? I think I don't know a policy. Sure. A police. Need 1 or 2 coaching. Bam coach is a very good place, done well. Samantha Landau. Ngapa right? Can he be balance? Because Mukwana has got speed, but can he think now? The guy runs, yes. I prefer him as I think right back can do very well. Wing back, yes. Mukwana.
Yeah. Well, that's it, Bafana Bafana. Hopefully, but Coach Hugo Bros is a very patient man. I mean, we might see if you know the Lemufugeng, even in the next game, he might not even start. We saw even when we were leading by 4 or even by 5, Khanye couldn't even make it. So that's Coach Hugo Bros for when he doesn't care whether you are big at your club or whatever is happening. But the most important thing is that Bafana Bafana won 5-0, and then London Speaker, I think, on 7 points going to AFCON next year in Morocco. Yeah, that's so important. That's so important. Important 3 points, important 5 goals. We're looking forward to the next one. That's it, iDiskiTV.